Hi, this is Anne with Graphic Design How To, and today I'm going to show you a problem you might have come across in Illustrator, not being able to see or edit a layer in the Layers palette. All right, let's get started. All right, I'm here in Illustrator, and I'm just going to open a document that I know has this problem. Okay, so we have an image here. If I highlight it, you can see it's a vector, but if I hit Command Y or Control Y, there's nothing inside it, even though it looks like there is something inside it. So I'm going to come up here to Window, Layers to see what's here. And we'll use this little caret drop down. And it shows a path here, but all of these little pieces are not in here. Now when you look at this layer, you might notice it looks a little different than other layers. It has a dotted line underneath it. And sometimes it might just have a solid underline. So when you see that, just remember that that means there's an opacity mask or transparency mask applied to this image. So to find these kind of layers, you'll need to open your transparency palette. Let's go to Window, Transparency. And now we can see them over here. And this has a Gradient and Designs clipping mask applied to it. So let's go ahead and release this. And now we have access to all of these different pieces. We've got a few brushes in here, some different things that we can move around or delete if we want to. And you can see now that they've jumped up here into the Layers palette. And if we click this drop down, you can see each one separately. So we can make changes in here or just get rid of it or whatever you need to do. And then if we want it to be masked inside that shape again, we can just select all, come back to our transparency mask, and go to Make Mask. And it'll be back inside there. If you want to know a little more about how opacity masks or transparency masks work, I do have a whole other video that you can check out, and I'll link it on the screen above. So this is something that if you're used to working on layers, this might be really confusing for you. It definitely was for me the first time I came across it. In most cases, this is something that happens when you're working with a file you got from someone else. So this is not a bug or an issue with Illustrator. It's actually the way opacity masks behave and are supposed to work. All right, if you like the way I teach, I also have full courses out on Skillshare. And there's a link in my description where you can get a free 2-week trial. If you get that, you can take all my courses for free. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.